Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Hyundai Elantra steering wheel, full guide. Start by placing the key in the ignition and gently turning while wiggling the steering wheel to relieve lock tension. Check the key fob battery and replace it if the car does not register the fob. Try a spare key if available and inspect the ignition cylinder for debris or wear before proceeding to professional service options. Begin by inserting the correct key fully into the ignition and apply steady turning pressure while simultaneously turning the steering wheel one way and then the other. If the key feels stuck, a few light taps on the ignition cylinder can help dislodge small debris or stuck tumblers. Always avoid excessive force that could break the key or damage the ignition. If resistance remains, stop and seek professional assistance. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content and help others find it. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great to keep nearby while you work on your car, keeping you hydrated and focused in the garage. I list the product and deals in the description for easy access, so check that now. Now let's get back to the video. If manual methods fail, check the key fob by replacing its battery and attempting to unlock again using both remote and close proximity methods. Use the mechanical key blade or a spare key to rule out fob issues and inspect for dashboard immobilizer warnings or error lights. Persistent electronic faults often need a diagnostic scan and possible reprogramming of the key or ECU by a technician to restore normal steering lock and ignition operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.